Do you have a problem with your focusing? Do you have problem when you're working at the particular job? In Deep Work by Cal Newport, you are going to find what is your problem and fix it. Make sure to watch till end to don't lose any details, gives a thumb up and subscribe. So don't lose other books. This is Epic Mind Alchemy. Let the journey begins. Chapter 1. Deep Work in the Modern Workplace. Cal Newport's Deep Work opens with a compelling exploration of the challenges posed by the contemporary work environment. Newport argues that in the age of constant connectivity and ubiquitous distractions, the ability to engage in deep work is becoming increasingly rare, yet crucial for professional success. Newport defines deep work as the ability to focus without distraction on cognitively demanding tasks. This kind of work requires sustained attention and allows individuals to reach a state of flow where they can produce high-quality output efficiently. Deep work stands in contrast to shallow work, which is often characterized by tasks that are logistical, repetitive, and do not require intense cognitive effort. That deep work is rare because of the prevalence of shallow work in modern workplaces. The constant influx of emails, social media notifications, and other interruptions makes it challenging for individuals to carve out extended periods for concentrated deep work. As a result, many people find themselves trapped in a cycle of constant busyness without achieving meaningful, impactful outcomes. The value of deep work. One of the central themes in Chapter 1 is the value of deep work in the knowledge economy. Newport contends that individuals who can consistently engage in deep work are better positioned for success. They can produce work of higher quality, acquire valuable skills more efficiently, and ultimately stand out in a competitive professional landscape. The ability to perform deep work becomes a competitive advantage in a world where shallow, easily replicable tasks are becoming automated. Distractions and constant connectivity. Newport identifies distractions as a major impediment to deep work. The constant connectivity facilitated by smartphones and the expectation of immediate responses to emails and messages contributed to a culture of distraction. Newport argues that this constant state of divided attention prevents individuals from reaching the depth of focus required for meaningful cognitive work. The allure of shallow work. Shallow work, while less cognitively demanding, often provides a false sense of productivity. Responding to emails, attending meetings, and engaging in various small tasks can create the illusion of busyness. But Newport contends that this busyness doesn't necessarily translate into valuable. The allure of shallow work can be deceptive, leading individuals away from the deep, focused work that truly matters. The knowledge work dilemma. Newport addresses the unique challenges faced by knowledge workers. Unlike physical labor, where output is often more visible and easily quantifiable, knowledge work involves tasks that are less tangible. This makes it challenging for individuals to measure their productivity accurately and discern the impact of their efforts. The urgency delusion. The author introduces the concept of the urgency delusion, emphasizing that the perceived urgency of tasks often drives individuals toward shallow work. The constant pressure to respond quickly to emails and attend to immediate concerns can overshadow the importance of deep strategic thinking and focused problem solving. Attention residue. Newport introduces the idea of attention residue, suggesting that when individuals switch from one task to another, remnants of their attention remain with the previous task. This residue can impede the ability to fully engage in the current task, particularly when transitioning from shallow work to deep work. The path to success. In the final sections of Chapter 1, Newport hints at the key theme that will be developed throughout the book. The path to success in the knowledge economy involves deliberately cultivating the ability to engage in deep work. This requires not only minimizing distractions, but also adopting strategies and habits that promote sustained focus and concentration. In summary, Chapter 1 of Deep Work sets the stage for Newport's exploration of the importance of deep work in the context of the modern workplace. It paints a vivid picture of the challenges posed by constant connectivity, distractions, and the allure of shallow work. The chapter also introduces key concepts such as attention residue and the urgency delusion. laying the groundwork for the practical strategies and insights that Newport will share in subsequent chapters. Chapter 2: The 4 Rules of Deep Work. In this chapter, Cal Newport introduces the 4 rules that he believes are essential for cultivating and sustaining deep work in one's professional life. These rules serve as a practical framework for individuals looking to transition from a state of constant busyness and shallow work to one of focused, cognitively demanding deep work. Rule number 1: work deeply. Newport argues that the ability to work deeply is a skill that can be developed over time. To work deeply means to immerse oneself fully in a cognitively demanding task without succumbing to distractions. Newport advocates for the cultivation of this skill through deliberate practice and the creation of a conducive environment. He suggests starting with small increments of deep work and gradually increasing the duration as one builds the capacity for sustained focus. Rule number 2: embrace boredom. Newport challenges the modern notion that boredom is something to be avoided at all costs. He argues that embracing boredom is crucial for cultivating deep work. By resisting the urge to constantly seek novel stimuli, individuals can train their minds to tolerate and even enjoy moments of idleness. This, in turn, enhances their ability to engage in deep, meaningful work without being constantly drawn to distractions. Rule number 3: quit social media. In a bold assertion, Newport advocates for quitting or significantly reducing the use of social media platforms. He argues that social media, with its constant stream of updates and notifications, is a major obstacle to deep work. Newport suggests that the potential benefits of using social media for professional networking and information consumption are outweighed by the negative impact on concentration and the propensity for shallow, habitual behavior. Rule number 4: drain the shallows. This rule emphasizes the importance of minimizing shallow work to create more time and mental space for deep work. Newport recommends evaluating existing work practices and identifying tasks that can be eliminated, automated, or delegated. By reducing the time spent on shallow work, individuals can redirect their energy and attention toward more meaningful, impactful activities. The rituals of deep work. Newport introduces the concept of rituals as a powerful tool for transitioning into a state of deep work. Rituals, whether they involve a specific location, time of day, or set of behaviors, signal to the mind that it's time to shift into a focused, undistracted mode. Establishing rituals helps create a routine that supports the regular practice of deep work. The grand gesture. Newport discusses the idea of the grand gesture, a one-time radical change to one's environment or routines that signals a commitment to deep work. This could involve taking a digital sabbatical, going on a retreat, or making significant changes to one's workspace. The grand gesture serves as a powerful way to break free from shallow work habits and establish a new, more intentional approach to work. The 90-minute block. Newport introduces the concept of the 90-minute block as an optimal unit of time for deep work. He argues that dedicating at least 90 minutes to a single task allows individuals to achieve a depth of focus and concentration that leads to meaningful progress. After a 90-minute deep work session, taking a break and then transitioning to another deep work task is recommended. The eudaimonia machine. Newport describes the concept of the eudaimonia machine, inspired by the physical layout of certain academic institutions. This machine is designed to maximize deep work by providing an environment free from distractions and conducive to focused, undisturbed concentration. In summary, Chapter 2 of Deep Work.
At the end, we should let the journey end here, because the video will get too long if you found value. Like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them. Don't forget to watch our 48 Law of Power video. This is Epic Mind Alchemy, signing off.